I wish to inform the people of our province that we also have reconfigured the government departments by separating finance from the Department of Economic Development, Environmental Affairs and Tourism. So finance from today onwards will be a standalone department. Department of Economic Affairs and Environmental Affairs and Tourism will be a standalone department. We have done this to ensure that economic development matters receive special attention because we want to build an economy that creates new jobs. Equally, I've combined, ladies and gentlemen, the Department of Public Works and Human Settlement. Those two departments will be coming together now, Public Works and Infrastructure, adding on that Human Settlement. They will, for now, come together as independent departments that are enjoined through the ministry. We have not made drastic changes from the 6th administration EXCO colleagues because the team did well to move the Eastern Cape forward. In making the appointments of MECs to the 7th administration, acting judge president and ladies and gentlemen, I was guided by the principles of competency, continuity and commitment. I believe the men and women I'm appointing to this EXCO are equal to the responsibilities of leadership I'm assigning to them. I'm therefore making the following announcements. MEC for finance, as I've indicated that finance is now moved out of economic development, will remain being an MEC Mvoko. MEC for education, Comrade Gade will continue with that task. Comrade Ndadoga Zitapa to steer the ship, some good work that has been done in the Department of Health by MEC, former MEC Meth. We are putting every system in place from Treasury and OTP to projectize the Department of Health. So it's one department that we must address. Honorable MEC Williams, Zolile Williams will continue with the good work at COGTA. Economic development, we are putting in MEC Nonkubela Peters, who has been a cabinet chair, economic development. She will steer the ship in that Department of Economic Development, Environmental Affairs and Tourism. MEC for sports, sport, recreation, arts and culture will be our young one, Miss Sibulele Ngongo. The MEC for social development, it's a continuity there, Honorable MEC Fanta. The new MEC for public works, infrastructure and human settlement will be MEC Manilu City, the current MEC or the former MEC of human settlement. MEC for transport, community safety continues to be the MEC Ngata. The last MEC, the MEC for rural development and agrarian reform, or MEC for agriculture, will be MEC Nongeba Konsiwe. I will do my level best to support this team to perform their functions better for the benefit of our people in this province.
Eastern Cape, home of legends.